Have you ever wondered what's really hidden on our planet? Places that are inaccessible, mysteries no one explains, and theories that sound more like fiction than reality? In this video, you'll discover secrets that never make it into school books or common documentaries. Have you ever stopped to think about how little we actually know about the planet we live on? Despite scientific and technological advances, the truth is that our knowledge of Earth is limited and often superficial. The image we have of the planet is just a small fraction of what really exists. For example, less than 20% of the oceans have been explored. This means that over 80% of the seafloor remains a complete mystery. In these deep, dark places, scientists have already discovered life forms that challenge everything we know about biology. And what else could be hidden down there? From gigantic structures to natural phenomena we've never seen, the ocean floor is practically an alien world within our own planet. And it's not just the ocean hiding secrets. Think about the vast mountain ranges or dense forests like the Amazon. Even though they're accessible habitats, many places remain almost untouched by humans. There are reports of indigenous communities that have never had contact with the outside world. Imagine what could still be hidden among the trees, from unknown species to traces of ancient civilizations. Antarctica, for instance, is one of the most restricted and mysterious areas on the planet. There are zones where even scientists have limited access, raising intriguing questions. Why such extreme protection? What could be hidden beneath the ice that has covered the continent for millions of years? But what happens when we go beyond the surface and look into the depths? Believe me, what lies beneath our feet may be even more surprising. If you're enjoying these discoveries and want to keep unraveling the mysteries of our world, subscribe to the channel and like this video right now. It helps us bring even more fascinating content like this. If the surface of Earth already hides so many mysteries, imagine what could be concealed beneath our feet. What we know about the interior of the planet is surprisingly limited, and much of what we believe to be true is based on theories and simulations. The reality is that we've never really gone down there. The deepest hole ever drilled by humans, the Kola Super Deep Borehole in Russia, reaches just over 12 kilometers, 7.5 miles, a tiny fraction of the distance to the Earth's core, which lies over 6,000 kilometers, 3,700 miles deep. So, what's down there? Science tells us there are distinct layers: the crust, the mantle, and the core, with the latter being composed of iron and nickel at extremely high temperatures. But here's something even more interesting. In 2014, scientists found evidence that there's more water inside the Earth than in all the oceans combined, trapped in minerals hundreds of kilometers below the surface. It's as if there's a hidden ocean concealed from us since the planet's formation. Moreover, caves around the world hold their own mysteries. In 2020, an expedition in China discovered the largest cave ever recorded, with enough space to house a 40-story building. These underground formations often host unique ecosystems with animal and microorganism species that exist nowhere else on the planet. These creatures, living without sunlight, challenge the basic rules of life as we know it. Some theories even suggest that there may be truth to myths of subterranean civilizations, such as the stories of Agartha, a supposedly hidden realm within the planet. Ancient civilizations from different parts of the world spoke of intraterrestrial worlds inhabited by advanced beings. Even if it sounds like science fiction, there are intriguing stories from explorers who reported inexplicable phenomena in deep caves. But while the secrets of the underground intrigue us, there are places on Earth's surface where the mystery is even greater, places no one can access. And that's no coincidence. If there are hidden mysteries in Earth's depths, there are also secrets locked away on its surface. There are places where access is so restricted that we can't even imagine what really goes on there. Some say these areas are blocked to protect nature or preserve isolated cultures. But others believe these locations hide something that should never be uncovered. One of the most famous examples is Area 51 in the United States. Officially, it's a military air testing base, but rumors about secret activities involving alien technology have persisted for decades. Simply attempting to breach the perimeter of this area could lead to imprisonment or worse. But why such intense security for a mere military base? Another intriguing location is North Sentinel Island in the Indian Ocean. It's believed to be one of the last human communities completely isolated from the rest of the world. Although it may seem like a peaceful place, any attempt to contact the inhabitants is met with extreme hostility. Some speculate that the Sentinelese might be guarding something far greater than their own culture. And who could forget Antarctica? While it's the most remote and inhospitable continent on Earth, it's also the subject of countless theories. Beneath its ice lie ancient underground lakes, possibly harboring unknown life forms. What's more, several regions are completely inaccessible, even to scientists. Why so much secrecy? These places make us question, what's being hidden from us? Are these just precautionary measures? Or are there secrets that could change our understanding of the world? And while these locations remain out of reach, the sky above us holds even more disturbing mysteries. As much as our attention is focused on what happens on Earth's surface and interior, the sky above us is a stage for phenomena and secrets that still baffle scientists and enthusiasts. Much of what happens beyond the atmosphere is visible only to those who know where to look. One of the most discussed mysteries are atmospheric anomalies. Strange lights that appear and disappear without explanation in different parts of the world, such as the famous red sprites or lightning elves. These luminous phenomena, which occur in the upper atmosphere, were only recently discovered and are still being studied. But how much of them is truly natural? Additionally, many are fascinated by the mysterious satellites orbiting Earth. One example is the so-called Black Knight, an unidentified object supposedly circling the planet for decades, fueling speculation about its alien origin. Could it simply be space debris, or is it something much more? Even the space near Earth is filled with enigmas. Phenomena like holes in Earth's magnetosphere, which allow solar radiation to enter certain areas, are studied by scientists, but their causes and effects remain poorly understood. What else might be hidden in this region? So close, yet so inaccessible. And then there's the Moon, Earth's natural satellite, which has always generated mystery, from theories of alien bases on its far side to questions about its own formation. What do we really know about our celestial neighbor? But if you think all this is impressive, wait until you hear the theories that connect these mysteries and challenge everything we know about Earth. We've reached the most intriguing part of this video, the theories that challenge everything we've learned about our planet. Some scientists, explorers, and independent researchers believe that Earth harbors secrets so profound that, if revealed, they could completely change the way we understand life and the universe. One of the most controversial theories is the idea of a hollow Earth. According to this hypothesis, there are vast hollow spaces inside the planet, possibly inhabited by intelligent life forms. This idea dates back to ancient myths and legends of lost civilizations, such as Atlantis and Lemuria, which may have migrated inside the planet to escape catastrophes. Another fascinating point is the possibility of natural portals connecting Earth to other dimensions or planets. Certain locations, such as the Bermuda Triangle and Lake Baikal in Russia, are frequently associated with unexplained disappearances and sightings of mysterious objects. Could these phenomena be signs of something bigger? Additionally, studies on magnetic anomalies in certain regions of the planet suggest there's something unusual about our core. Some scientists speculate that these anomalies could be related to ancient technologies or even the activities of extraterrestrial civilizations that may have visited Earth in the past. Finally, the idea that Earth is part of a much larger system, interconnected with other celestial bodies, is also a topic of intriguing theories. From pyramids aligned with constellations to inexplicable markings on the lunar surface, there are indications that our planet might be connected to something we're still far from understanding. Now that you've explored these impressive theories, we want to know, which one caught your attention the most? Leave your comment below. And don't forget, you can keep unraveling the mysteries of our world in the next video. The 7 strangest things that have ever happened on planet Earth. Click and find out.